people asking about the air wrap and how to do the curls. Normally we do it when we're demonstrating, we do all the curls in one direction, one side of the hair, and all the curls in the other direction on the other side of the head. This is to give us a really nice soft wave. If you're looking to do really, really nice bouncy curls in different directions, then what we're going to do is we're actually going to do sections in one direction, and then the next section I'm going to change the barrel and do it in the opposite direction. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration to show you exactly how you can do this to create more of an erratic curl, like a bouncy blow dry, as opposed to just a soft bend with the curls all blending into one and going in the same direction. So with Jane's hair, I've just shampooed and conditioned it. I haven't put any product in it yet. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to blast dry it. I'm going to use my supersonic, and I'm just going to blast dry it till it's about 80% dry before I put the product on. So now Jane's hair is 80% dry. The best way to tell is by looking at it and feeling it. It actually looks dry, but when you feel it, it's still a little bit damp and it's cool to touch. So that's how you know when it's just the perfect dampness to be able to then go in with the curling barrels for air wrap. I'm actually now going to apply some product as well. I'm trying out the Colour Wow products today. I'm going to just put a little bit of Raise the Root in the root area. Just spray it on, just lightly. Don't want too much product on it. And then I'm going to try a little bit of the Philip Kingsley Perfecting Spray just through the end. This is like a really nice blow dry lotion, but it's also quite conditioning to the hair, which is ideal for long hair. So just put a little bit of that on. And I'm going to comb it through, brush it through with my paddle brush. And then I'm going to put it in sections, and I'm going to air wrap it in sections to make it easier. You don't have to do sections, but it just makes it easier to work with. So I'm going to do a section from the top of the ear to the top of the other ear in a horseshoe section. And then I'll pin the rest of the hair up on top of Jane's head. I've got my section I'm working on at the back here. Just pin the rest of it up out of the way. So now this is the technique that you're going to do, alternating the sections to create more of an erratic, irregular curl. So we're going to take a section that's about 2 inches wide, which is about the width of 2 fingers. Now the best way to hold the hair is to hold it in the mid-length, so you've got plenty of room, plenty of hair at the end to wrap around the air wrap. I'm actually going to use the air wrap on full power, the full temperature setting. The full power you're going to need to attract the hair so it wraps around the barrel, and the full temperature so you're going to create that really nice curl for longevity. And then I'm literally just going to hold the air wrap behind the hair, let it wrap, and then slowly move my hand towards the head, and the hair will continue to wrap around the air wrap. I'm going to let that dry for about 15 seconds until the hair warms up, and then press the cool shot button up till the air goes cold, cools the hair down. Then you switch the air wrap off, release it, and that's your curl. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another section, exactly the same size and the width of my 2 fingers, but I'm actually going to leave that section out because that's the one I'm going to use to the other barrel in to blow dry the curl in the opposite direction. And then I'm going to skip that section and then go on to my next section using the barrel in the same direction as the previous one. And then just repeating the whole process again, warming the hair up for about 15 seconds, pulling it down, and then you switch it off and release the curl. So now I've got 2 sections that still need to be curled. I'm actually now going to change my barrel, so I'm going to blow dry them in the opposite direction. So switching the barrel, take the section, just repeat, but obviously the curl's now going to go in the opposite direction, and this is what's going to give you that really nice irregular curls. So I've done the underneath section, and then I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to do another section from the temple to the other side of the temple, around the back again in the horseshoe shape, and I'm going to repeat exactly the same process, swapping the barrels on each section on the next section. I've swapped the attachment, so the arrow here is pointing away from Jane's face. That means the hair is going to go in the away from Jane's face, which is the direction we want it to go in. So it's a lot more flattering to take the hair away from the face for the first sections. Right, so I've done the middle section, and now I'm going to concentrate on the top section. I'm going to do Jane's hair in a centre parting. So again, I'm just going to, with my paddle brush, brush it through, get the parting central. And then I'm going to repeat that process all over again, alternating using the barrels going in the different directions. Take the hair away from Jane's face from the front section here. So I've finished doing Jane's hair with the air wrap. I'm just going to spin it around so you can have a look at the back. So you can see how the curls are all going in different directions. It just gives it that nice bit of texture. And then I'm just going to rake it through with my fingers. So turn Jane back around. I'm going to put a little bit of product through. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Colour Wow Pop and Lock. This will just help to keep the hair without broken up into loose curls. Jane, if you just like to tip your head back on me. I'm just going to run my fingers through it really gently, because I don't want to break the curls up too much, but I don't want them to look separated. So you can see you've got this really nice shape through the front, and then you've got those really nice individual curls going in different directions, which gives it a lot more texture than as if you were going through all in the same direction. So for those of you that asked me to do this video, it gives you an insight into how you can create that really easily just by doing the sections, missing one out, and then going back over and swapping the barrels and filling in those other sections. And that's how you're going to create this really nice bouncy look, as opposed to the smooth wavy look that we have normally been doing with the air wrap.